Bonjour. 4 small sounds. That's all we are doing today. But these 4 sounds, A, I, O, and U, are behind so many French syllables and words. Get them clear, and then the syllables will start to click. Get them blurry, and everything after becomes harder. So let's take our time and get them right. Let's go. Vowels sit at the center of syllables. Look at here. Ba, bi, bo, bu. The consonant b doesn't change, but the vowel changes everything. Ba, bi, bo, bu. So before we blend sounds together, we need to make the vowels clear and stable. You might be wondering, what about e? And it's a good question. We are not ignoring E, we are saving it for its own video because E is not a simple sound in French. It can be E acute, like in café, it can be E grave, like in mer, it can be a soft sound, like in je or le, and sometimes, especially at the end of a word, it can be silent. So today we start with the more stable vowels A, I, O, and U. Before we practice each vowel, remember this simple idea. In French, we want the vowel sound to be clear and steady. Try not to make it too long. Try not to add an extra sound at the end. Just say the vowel, keep it clean, stop. So today, when we practice A, I, O, and U, listen for one thing. And is the sound clear? That is the goal. First, the French A. A is open and clear. You open your mouth naturally, not too wide, not too tight. A. You repeat after me. A. Again. A. Now let's read the first line. Some syllables. La, ma, pa, sa. And now let's have a look at the words. Papa, ami, animal. Let's practice. The first line, you repeat after me. La, ma, pa, sa. Second line, you repeat after me. Ma, pa, sa, la. Now the words. Papa, ami, animal. Now let's have a look at the French I. I sounds like the English sound E, but keep it short. You smile slightly and you say I. Repeat after me. I. Again. I. Let's read the syllables. First, we have mi, pi, ti, li. Let's read the words now. Midi, ami, ici. So midi means midday, ami means friend, and ici means here. So you see it's very short, very clear. Don't stretch it. Let's practice. You repeat after me the first line. Mi, pi, ti, li. Repeat after me the second line. Li, ti, mi, pi. You can do it again after if you want, but I'm going to ask you to repeat the words now. Midi, ami, ici. That's very good. Now let's have a look at the sound O. The O in French is rounded and steady. You make your lips round and you say O. Repeat. O. Again. O. In French, it just stay put. O. You just read O. So actually let's read the first line, the syllables. We have mo, po, lo, to. And words with the sound O. Solo, moto, domino. Let's practice together. Let's read the first line. You repeat after me. Mo, po, lo, to. Second line, you repeat after me. Lo, to, mo, po. And now, let's have a look at the words. You repeat after me. Solo, moto, domino. Very good. Round and clear. Now let's have a look at the tricky letter U. It's not the English sound OU. The OU sound is written a different way in French. U is different. You say E, you keep your tongue forward, and then you round your lips, like if you want to say OU, but you don't say it. So the tongue is forward, the lips are rounded, and you say U. Repeat after me. U. Again. U. All right. If it's a bit strange, that's normal. Let's have a look at the first line. Example with syllables. We have tu, lu, mu, bu. So rounded lips, tongue forward. Let's have a look at the second line. Lulu, salut. So Lulu is a nickname, I would say, and salut means hi. You notice that I don't say the T at the end. The T at the end is silent. Let's practice. Let's practice the sound U. So you repeat after me. Tu, lu, mu, bu. That's good. Let's have a look at the second line now. Repeat after me. Lu, tu, bu, mu. Repeat after me the words now. Lulu, salut. That's very good. Now let's put all 4 vowels together and hear the contrast. Listen the first line and repeat after me. Ba, bi, bo, bu. Can you repeat faster now? Ba, bi, bo, bu. Even faster, you say ba, bi, bo, bu. Can you do it? Let's have a look at the second line. Listen and repeat. Ma, mi, mo, mu. Faster now. Ma, mi, mo, mu. Even faster, you just say ma, mi, mo, mu. Third line. Repeat after me. La, li, lo, lu. A little bit faster now. La, li, lo, lu. And even faster, you can just try to say la, li, lo, lu. So you are hearing here the 4 distinct vowel sounds. That's exactly what you need before blending syllables. All right? So now I have a small challenge for you. The vowels here are mixed, so you can't predict the pattern. You pause the video and you try to read each line before me. All right? And then, so you pause it now and then you check. I'm going to read them now. So you should be reading mi, po, la, bu. Second line. Tu, ba, li, mo. Third line. Pa, mu, si, lo. So if you could read those even slowly, that's already a very good start. I'm very happy with you. Now another challenge. We're going to read real French words using these vowel sounds. So you can stop the video and try to read them by yourself if you want. I'm going to read them now. You can read with me. Let's have a look at the first line. We have papa, ami, midi. Now the second line. Ici, solo, moto. Now the third line. Domino, Lulu, salut. So see, now you are not just repeating sounds, you are reading real French words. Again, here you can pause the video and read before me. And then check. I'm going to read them. So the first one we have papa, and then ami, midi, solo, moto, salut. So today we learned that A is open and clear, I is short and clean, it's a clean I, O is rounded and steady, and U is the tricky one with rounded lips and tongue forward. So these four vowels, are the foundation of French reading, and everything else builds on them. So remember, E is coming, and just because he really needs his own space. Before I leave, just wanted to add that you just did something that many learners skips. You slow down to actually listen to the vowels. That's exactly what good French readers do. In the next video, we take these four sounds and start blending them into syllables like ba, bi, bo, and bu. But now you will actually know what you are saying. Thank you for watching. À bientôt.